What is light? Light is a form of energy. It is the fastest thing in the universe. Light can travel over 300,000 kilometers a second. Fun fact, it only takes 8 minutes for light to reach the Earth from the Sun. This beats any spaceships out there. Light is made out of photons, which forms the basic unit of light and carry energy. White light is made out of 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This is why when we have a rainbow, we see 7 colors. The splitting of a white light is called dispersion. It will split into 7 individual colors. Dispersion can happen through a prism or in nature after a rainstorm, because the raindrops will act like prisms. This is why sometimes you see rainbow after a rainstorm. There are different sources of light all around us. The major one is the sun. The sun is considered a luminous object. A luminous object means that it emits light on its own. Another example of a luminous object are the stars. Another source of light is fire. Fire is a natural source of light. It can be used to keep ourselves warm, cook, and keep animals away. The last source of light is the man-made light sources, such as light bulbs. Light bulbs can be found from our bedroom lamps to our cars. So how does light travel? Light travels in the form of waves. There are 3 different ways for light waves to travel. 1. Light waves move from the source through vacuum. A vacuum space means the absence of air in space. 2. Light waves move from various mediums such as air or water. 3. Light waves being reflected, refracted, or absorbed. Light waves travel in a straight line when it is in air, water, and a vacuum space. When light is traveling in a straight line, it is called a ray of light. When a light ray hits an object, it is known as an incident ray. The angle that the incident ray makes with the object is called the angle of incidence. When a ray of light hits an object, it bounces towards another direction or it reflects. This is called a reflected ray. The angle that the reflected ray makes with the object is called the angle of reflection. Have you ever wondered why we can see our reflections through water or a transparent object? It is because of light. We can see our reflections in water sometimes due to the ray of light hitting objects and the reflected ray reaching our eyes, allowing us to see ourselves. Light also plays a very important role in how we see ourselves. As we all know, the image we see of ourselves in the mirrors are reversed. The thing that is actually on our right appears on our left in the mirror, and the thing on our left appears on the right in the mirror. This is because when light rays from an object's angle reaches the mirror's surface, they bounce or reflect at the same angle. Our eyes see these reflected rays as an image. Now let's talk about how light interacts with different objects. There are 3 different types of objects: transparent, translucent, and opaque. Transparent objects are clear. We can see through transparent objects. Light can pass through these objects. Examples of transparent objects are glass and air. Translucent objects are semi-clear. We can slightly see through translucent objects. Only some light passes through these objects. Examples of translucent objects are frosted glass and wax paper. Opaque objects are not clear. We cannot see through opaque objects. No light passes through these objects. Examples of opaque objects are books and tables. Not all light rays can be reflected or refracted. Sometimes light can be absorbed. Absorption means the object takes in the light rays to use them for another purpose, like creating energy. An example of light absorption is in plants and trees. Plants absorb the sun rays to use it as energy in order to grow. This is called photosynthesis. Now how about how we see light? Have you ever wondered how our eyes are structured to see light? There are different parts to our eyes. There's the iris. The iris controls the amount of light that enters our eyes. The iris also determines the color of our eyes. There is the retina. The retina are the back of our eyes. The retina contains special cells that allows us to differentiate between colors. These 2 cells are called rods and cones. Rods allow us to see shades of black, white, and gray. They also determine the shape of the object that we're seeing. Cones allows us to sense colors. There are 3 different types of cones: red cones, green cones, and blue cones. These 3 cones work together so we can see different combinations of colors when light enters our eyes. There exist artificial eyes. You may have heard of them. They are camera lenses. Camera lenses are made out of many components, but we will be focusing on the glass lens. A lens is a curved piece of glass which bends or spreads light. There exist different types of lenses and they serve different purposes. These two types of lenses are concave and convex. Concave lenses make the light spread out. Objects that uses concave lenses are eyeglasses, contacts, cameras, telescopes, binoculars, and flashlights. Convex lenses bend the light and make them meet at a certain point. Objects that uses convex lenses are magnifying glass, telescopes, and cameras.